Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and this is the Deep Lunge Test. It is to assess your deep hip flexion and for any adductor tightness as well, because groin injuries are actually very common. How we set up for the test is to start off in a lunge position, and then what Jenni's going to do is put both of her hands beside her front foot and then slides her back knee back a little bit. We're testing the front hip here, so we're looking to see, can we replace the palm of the hand with the elbow on the same side as the front foot. We need the elbow to be beside the heel with a vertical shin. A 10 out of 10 on this test is to have your elbow beside the heel on the floor. A 5 out of 10 would be if you're above the ankle and you're struggling to get to that bottom range. And a 1 out of 10, like where I was when I first started, is above mid shin that you can't even, there's no range there. We want to test this on both sides because we're looking for imbalances as well. So it's really important to check both sides. Let us know in the comments where you can get to. Without good deep hip flexion, your lower back and knees are constantly going to be compensating. You're going to find that you get random bouncing pains all of the time, and if your hips are limited, your training and day-to-day movement will be really affected. For a more in-depth explanation on why this test is so important and how you can easily improve it, make sure to go to our YouTube channel and search for the Deep Lunge Test.